Scholarship, leadership, character, and service. The marks that distinguish every BUNU student, which also are the marks that distinguish every BUCM doctor. Doctors who excel academically, succeed in leading, are rich in character, and with hearts dedicated to service. Welcome to the Bicol University College of Medicine. Our college aspires to be the leader in transformative and integrative medical education, where we transform communities towards resilience and sustainability through our students. We aim for quality research, outstanding service, and sustainable health programs for the Bicol region and beyond. BUCM follows the problem-based learning curriculum, which is a hybrid outcome-based curriculum that merges traditional teaching with more practical approaches for students to be ready not only for the boards, but also in the communities they'll be partnered with and the patients they will help. The entire nation is filled with spectacular communities with great potential. But not all are privileged with access to quality healthcare and education. The college opens opportunities by enrolling students to the Medical Scholarship and Return Service Program and the Medicina para sa Lahat or MAPALAD program, where students with exceptional potential can avail financial assistance to get them through medical school. We make sure our students are ready by giving them access to libraries and laboratories, with state-of-the-art material to boost their knowledge and to fine-tune their skills in preparation for real patients. Our students can visit the guidance office anytime for counseling. Within BUCM are student organizations that vary in their focus from academics, service, community engagement, skills development, and so much more. From their first day of classes till the moment they become physicians, BUCM will empower towards better health for tomorrow. Medicina para sa lahat. BU College of Medicine.